Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable Filmmaker Mode on your PANASONIC TN-43W70AEZ TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control and open all settings menu. Then go to Display and Sound and select Picture. In Picture, you're gonna have to navigate to Advanced Settings, select it, and then navigate to Filmmaker Mode. Select this option and then switch the toggle to the right next to Filmmaker Mode. Select OK, and that's basically it. The Filmmaker Mode will be automatically enabled. Now my personal advice is go back to picture settings and increase your backlight level, as for some reason every time I enable Filmmaker Mode for the first time, my backlight drops drastically, and you can see it right now in front of you. So just select backlight and increase it. You can increase it up to 100%. It will not distort your image, but it will make it much better quality, much more visible in the first place. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.